Hey, this is Rob, and I want to give you the gift of better sleep. I'm going to talk about 5 keys to sleeping better. I discuss those 5 and 15 others in my book, Make Sleep Your Superpower. One of the most important things that you can do is to cut back on alcohol or eliminate alcohol if you drink. Alcohol can help put you to sleep. It can help you to pass out, actually. But as it courses through your body during the night, it will actually wake you up or cause you to sleep very lightly, and you don't get the rejuvenating deep sleep that your body needs. You might not even realize it. You might think you slept okay, or you might think, oh, I didn't have a great night, but the alcohol is really ruining your sleep. The second thing that you want to do is to pick a consistent bedtime. It matters what that time is, but what matters most is having a consistent bedtime. So if you usually go to bed at 9 or 10 or 11 o'clock at night, great, stick with that. But do it 7 days a week. If you're erratic about your bedtimes, try to get it to a more consistent time, within a half an hour or an hour of the same time every night. If you're after midnight, 1, 2, 3 in the morning, then it would be much better if you could be midnight or sooner. But the most important thing is to pick a consistent bedtime. Another thing is you want to wake up at the same time every day, because now you're setting a cycle for your body. You're training your circadian rhythm, your body clock, to go to bed at the same time every night, wake up at the same time every morning, and that will really help you to optimize your sleep, to get good quality sleep without spending extra time lying in bed staring at the ceiling. When you get up in the morning, it's really important to get outside and get some daylight, bright daylight, as much as you can during the day, and particularly early in the morning. If you can get even just a few minutes in the morning while you have your coffee or go for a walk, that would be even better. But during the course of the day, as much time as you can outside. On a bright day, the amount of light that reaches your eye, it's measured in a thing called lux. You don't need to know what that is, but it's about 10,000 lux that hits your eye on a bright day. On a cloudy day, it can be 1,000 or 2,000 lux, and indoors it's usually 300 or less. So if you're sitting at the office all day, or you're in your home office, or you're just at home, you're not getting enough bright light to properly set your body clock to wake you up and make you alert during the day, and then prepare you to go to sleep at night. The bright light during the day suppresses melatonin, a hormone that makes you sleepy. At night, when it gets dark, then that melatonin is released. So getting a lot of daylight is super important to setting your body clock so that you'll sleep properly. The 5th thing that you want to do to help you sleep better is to get a lot of physical activity. It doesn't matter if it's walking, jogging, gardening, dancing, playing a sport. Whatever it is to get your blood pumping and your body moving is tremendously important for setting your body clock again, releasing the feel-good hormones during the day, which then prepares you for sleep at night. Do all 5 of those things and you're going to sleep better. And when you sleep better, you're going to feel better the next day. Your emotions will be more settled. You'll be more in control of your life. You'll be more productive. You'll be less stressed. And guess what? All of that is going to help you sleep better that night. As I mentioned in the book, better nights equal better days. I'm Robert Roy Britt, and that's what the science says.